number 25, today list. House of for this day only, and may kind of fix on 19 Wednesday. Due to my some personal.
No problem. What is it? No. Item number 23.
23, Lord.
Yes. On the prayer made on behalf of the appellant, matter is passed over to be listed again on Wednesday.
Lordship,
Did-
Lordship, this may come after 2 weeks.
No,
Because
no.
I have been informed
No,
by
no,
others.
no, sorry, this was in 25.
25.
25. I don't- You were mentioning 23.
23, Lordship.
When do you
The
want?
answer is informed there is a talk of compromise settlement
Okay,
going
okay.
on.
On the prayer made on behalf, on the prayer made by Sri R. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed after 2 weeks.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention an IA for vacation of stay in an FAO. We have filed for the respondent. We have filed an interim application for vacation of stay because the title suit as such. It has
No,
been-
when do you want a listing of the IA?
Yes, yes.
When did you file?
It is in file and the IA was last listed on 2nd of May.
What is the order? What was the order passed?
List after 2 weeks. In the prayer. So may I pray the matter may be listed up tomorrow or day after
Not tomorrow. We'll have it on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Highly obliged.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 2, lordship.
Yes.
The concerned advocate relative was died suddenly, lordship. So go to Lakhimpur, lordship.
Okay.
Um,
At number 22, this is top of the list. Okay, but we'll fix a date.
Sure.
This court has been informed that the learned counsel for the petitioner is under some bereavement. Full stop. List this matter. This matter accordingly stand adjourned to be listed on
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Listed. We'll have it on 2nd of August.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 37 of today's list.
Yes.
Lordship, senior counsel, Mr. Chinmay Chaudhary is out of station and he is conducting
Okay. Okay.
so list after
Your DK Sharma
DK Sharma.
on the prayer made on behalf of the applicant matter is returned to be listed after a week.
After we.
May please, Lord.
Obliged.
I beg to mention for listing IA Lordship in MSc appeal Lordship on Wednesday Lordship.
I for
IA for payment of Lordship awarded amount Lordship.
release of the awarded amount.
No Lordship, it has been not been deposited Lordship. Lordship
Okay, we'll have it on Wednesday.
Wednesday Lordship.
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Honor. I would like to mention item number 19.
19.
Yes, Lordship. Matter may not be taken up to the Lordship as Mr. Endeka is appearing.
And it is Rera appeal.
Yes.
Please before any other bench without me. 19.
May I please your lordship, lordship in regard to item number 46 of the supplementary cause list, lordship. I am appearing for respondent number 2, lordship.
Supply cause list. Oh, yes. Yes.
Lordship, my senior has went out of station for his medical treatment and he will return.
Who is
by
your
day
senior?
after. A. Bhattacharya. Lordship, I am not seeking any adjournment. Kindly, we may be heard, lordship. Day after.
You're for the other side.
No, no.
The respondents and the appellants may be heard today, Lordship. The other respondents and the appellants.
You want your hearing to be done on Wednesday.
Yes, Lord.
Who is for the appellant? Item number 46, Mr. B.D. Goswami.
Lordship, they may be heard today. I have no objection.
Understand, let them come. Will you be here?
Lordship,
We'll try to accommodate you on Wednesday.
much obliged. Lord.
Beg to mention item 45 of the daily list.
Hmm.
But there is analogous matter, PRBIO 54 of the 23,
Hmm.
involving between the same parties involving same question of law.
Hmm.
So both the matters may be taken up together.
You're for the respondent here.
Respondent, the
I
petitioner.
know it's for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, Your Lord.
Okay.
There is an interim, Lord.
Interim order. It is submitted that there is an analogous matter being CRPIO 54 of
54.
2023. Full stop. Let both these matters be listed together on Friday.
After 2 weeks.
Listed together after a week. Para, interim order passed earlier to continue to the next day.
Can it come under admission column, Your Lord? It's under stay matter.
Why admission? It's an orders matter.
The service is complete.
We'll see. Let it come. We'll see on this day.
Development.
If you are consenting, we can take up for admission also. Let it be listed. Listing is not an issue. Which under what head? Whatever is possible.
Development.
May it please, Lordship, I beg to mention one listing, Lordship, for hearing. MF
Hearing?
matter.
Hearing is difficult like this with a mention memo. Matter of which year?
2016, Lord.
16. What is the matter about?
Lordship, about the demerit surges
No,
for MFA matter, Lordship.
MFA.
Yes, Lordship. May kindly consider one date.
Okay, you will allow this file it next Tuesday.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Not tomorrow. Next Tuesday.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 3 of today's list.
Yes.
I apologize for that, my lord. One status report was called from the, my lord, the department, my lord, concerned department. That report is may not be available, my lord. Will be submitting, my lord, before your lordship, my lord. Lordship will kindly fix another.
Department means the state.
My lord,
You have to
My lord, my lord.
furnish the report. You
My
need
lord.
some time over.
My lord, I need some time, my lord. We have to receive the instruction.
Oh, 23 members, top of the list. We'll fix the date.
My
My
lord.
lord,
Next Wednesday.
my lord.
My
We'll give you one more than a week's time.
level.
It is submitted that our report was called for, which however has not been furnished to the learned standing council of the department for Kapara in the interest of justice. List on, we'll have it on 26th.
My lord.
26th July.
Obliged.
There is no interim order, I think, Hamad.
No.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item 33, Lordship.
32,
33, Lordship.
33.
Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly adjourn the matter for the day, Lordship. My senior is out of station, Lordship.
Review petition.
Yes, Lordship.
It is submitted that MSA and Learned Council for the review applicant is out of station and therefore an adjournment has been sought for full stop para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned. To be listed after a week. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, for listing of a first appeal, my lord, for orders, my lord. There is a stay, my lord. I have filed an IA. That has been-
You are for the respondent
My
here.
lord. Execution has been stayed, my lord.
You have, when did you file the IA?
My lord, in 2019, my
Old matter.
lord. My-
IA is still pending over.
Yes.
And the appeal is of which year?
2019, my lord.
19. When do you want?
Next Monday, my lord. And my lord, one second appeal, my lord, for admission hearing. There was a delay that has been condoned, but subsequently
Okay. Well,
next Monday.
yes, whenever. You can have it on Friday also.
Friday, my lord, senior Kasim Sayawala wouldn't be here.
Okay.
Next Monday.
Okay.
Much of
Lordship, item number 14, Lordship. In that case, I have to file one IA for injunction. So, matter may be adjourned to the next week.
1-4.
1-4.
Prafulla Sharma.
Yes.
On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, matter stands adjourned by 10 days,
So, on next Monday, Lord.
by a week to enable the applicant to take necessary steps. We are not mentioning anything, okay?
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention one MFA for listing in hearing list, my lord.
MFO which year?
2013, my lord.
13?
Yes,
Okay,
my
we'll
lord.
have it.
That
On-
may be fixed for hearing list in Thursday, my lord.
Thursday.
Okay, obliged.
What if I mention? Which? 25 votes.
Like here, last occasion, we have taken time to bring instruction.
Yes.
But yet we have not received matter. A date may be fixed, my lord.
Item number?
One, my lord.
One has been adjourned, I think. Yes.
Two has been adjourned.
Huh? Oh, MK New is 2nd August. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry. None appears for the petitioner on call. On the other hand, comma, Sri P.K. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education, prays for some more time to obtain the instructions. Full stop, para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed again on. These are top of the list.
My
We'll
lord.
fix the date.
On 28th February, my lord, 28th July, Friday,
We'll have it on 2nd of August.
my lord.
Adequate time, but don't miss this time.
My lord. Obliged.
It's a matrimonial matter as per matter.
Hmm.
Respondent has filed one divorce petition in Tinsukia. That petitioner seek to transfer the same from Tinsukia to Jorhat.
Your wife.
I'm okay.
When was the marriage conducted? When was the marriage conducted? Marriage, when was the marriage solemnized?
2009, in the year of 2009.
2009. When was this proceeding instituted? 22.
Yes.
What is the stage of the proceeding?
Yeah, but just appearance only. Someone has been come.
What are your grounds?
She's actually lonely. Only
Hmm?
she's alone to drive from Jorhat to their Tinsukia.
How far is Jorhat to Tinsukia?
Yeah, 4 hours journey. I think.
4 hours.
4 hours. It's about 120 to 150 kilometers.
That is the only ground.
Only that she's getting nervous that she's facing that thing.
Hmm? That may not be the good enough ground. Is there any issue?
No, they don't have any.
What are your what are the grounds of divorce?
Only cruelty. He has filed with
Cruelty and desertion.
cruelty and desertion. They've been living separately since 2 years
Where do you stay now?
at Jorhat.
You stay at Jorhat.
Yes, Korean. This is the one region that is financially or is not stable. From,
You stay with your parents.
yes, parents and elder brother.
And the your husband, what does he do?
He's a businessman
In Tinsukia.
in Tinsukia. He have a garment shop in Tinsukia town. Marriage was solemnized in Moriori, Jorhat. And after that, she used to stay in her parental home most of the time.
Why?
Yeah, but due to their difference,
according to her instruction that she is suffering mentally and physically very much from her husband's side.
But she has not filed any divorce petition.
She has not filed any divorce petition.
Cruelty has not been alleged by her. Cruelty rather has been alleged by the husband.
Yes, but
That you don't want to stay in the matrimonial house. You want to stay independently.
Due to some religions, they don't want to stay together. They also want divorce itself. This long she is residing in Jorhat actually.
Where are your grounds of transfer? Where have you stated?
Uh,
Have you filed your WS?
Sorry?
Have you filed your WS?
No, no. I have not appeared for a single time.
You have not stated any grounds.
They are prevailing for issue laws. I have stated 12 section in my petition, page number 7.
17.
It's,
Page number?
7, para 12,
Please read.
para 12, page
Please read.
This prevailing circumstance, if the above check titles to case number 11 is pending before the Honorable Court of the Additional District as a septic Iman is not transferred to the Honorable Court of District as in the event the petitioner will not be positioned to contest the case. And in this case,
Now, why? These are things which you have stated if interim order is not passed. Where are your grounds of transfer? Where have you stated? What is the difficulty or grounds that you would be facing?
yes, I have not mentioned this.
You have not mentioned anything.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lordship, I have not mentioned specifically. But
See, jurisdiction is a different issue. The Jorhat court may also have the jurisdiction, but that by itself will not be the ground of transfer. More than one court may have jurisdiction. That by itself can it be a ground of transfer that since Jorhat has jurisdiction, transfer to Jorhat.
yes,
Transfer is possible. There is a provision, but you have to make out certain grounds.
only transportation problem is there.
Where have you stated?
I stated only one point here.
Where have you stated that the distance is 4-hour journey by road?
Perhaps I have missed that point.
No, it's not.
Where have
Don't
I
take
missed?
things for granted. Lady coming to the court, we are lenient, but you have to make out some ground.
Like Your Honor, I have
You file an additional affidavit. What is your name?
Jifu.
Mr. Fukan, you file an additional affidavit. Will grant you the liberty. Not in a petition like this.
Sure.
This is an application under section 24. Read with section 151 of the CPC. Praying for transfer of title suit within bracket matrimonial number 210/2022 pending before the learned court of the additional district judge, FPC number 2 Tinsukia to the learned court of competent jurisdiction at Jorhat.
Lordship. In para 9, I have mentioned that.
Para 9.
Yes. The petitioner facing financial crisis to go every month to Tinsukia for contesting the case, and also respondent has frequently taken to para 9.
So, for G. Fukan, Planet Council for the petition. Sorry. It is submitted
Yes, it is.
that the petitioner is living separately since about last 2 years at Jorhat, at her matrimonial home, at her parental home. And the grounds of seeking transfer have been stated in paragraph 9 of the petition. Full stop. No, it is further submitted that the suit is at the preliminary stage of appearance. Correct?
Correct.
Para issue notice returnable on 23rd of August 2023. Full stop. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD. Full stop. Para. No, full stop. Steps be taken within by tomorrow. Full stop. Para. 3. Open the learned counsel for the petitioner raised for an interim order. Full stop. After considering the facts and circumstances and upon perusal of the ground taken, comma, it is directed that until the returnable date, comma, further proceedings in so and so, pending before so and shall remain suspended.
Please, your lordship.
Petitioner who is the wife, petitioner who is the wife. Yes,
Well, this is a transfer petition for praying for transfer of a guardianship case from
item number,
item number 5, my lord.
yes.
Praying for transfer of a guardianship case from family court Nalbari to my lord family court Dhubri. My lord, the petitioner is the wife, my lord, and following the marriage, my lord, they had a child. After which, my lord, the husband, he married twice, 2 more times, my lord, and subsequently, following cruelty inflicted upon her, the petitioner had to leave the matrimonial home and start living in a parental home. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner's husband goes and files a guardianship case before the family court, praying for custody of the child.
How old is the child?
Child, my lord, is now 7 years.
7
7 years. And the petitioner does not file the case against me.
What girl child?
Girl child, my lord. And the petitioner does not file the case against me. The case is filed against my father. I am not made a party to the case initially. Fortunately, my lord, the family court first of all calls the child. Child comes and tells the court that she does not want to go and live with her father and wants to stay with me. Thereafter, the family court summons me and allows me to file a written statement in the case. On the first date fixed for filing of the written statement of the case, when I go to the family court, my lord, I am assaulted by my husband and 2 of his accomplices, my lord, and my bag where my documents were there was snatched. I file an FIR, my lord. After filing of the FIR, my lord, I thought that this will perhaps deter my husband. He will not cause any trouble. For the next couple of days, my lord, I go to the court. Subsequently, again, my lord, on the second time, my lord, the case is fixed on 18/5/2023. I go to Nalbari on 17/5/2023. This time, my lord, I'm abducted by my husband and 2 of his goons, my lord. And it's very, very unfortunate, my lord. I am raped by my husband and 2 of his accomplices, my lord.
Where have you stated?
My lord, I filed an FIR also.
Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, is it?
Bar created under regulation 151 of Land Revenue Regulation 1896 pertaining to the settlement operation and outcome particular to Exhibit 10 and Exhibit C. Exhibit 10 is the patta issued to the plaintiff, where it was less land was shown. Whether both the judgment and decree of the learned trial court and the first appellate court is bad in law, non-appreciation of the evidence of the defendant, particularly Exhibit A to Exhibit C. On the strength of Exhibit B, A, I purchased the land and I was given the patta also. there was a, there was a regularity in my cell deed as well as patta. Whether both the courts below committed perversity by relying upon the exhibit 1 and 2 cell deed in the face of exhibit 10, which is issued after the resettlement operation. So exhibit 10 becomes the final patta, and that becomes a document of title for the plaintiff, not exhibit 1 and 2. Because if he had any grievances, he should have appeared before the settlement office. I cleared that doubts. He did not do it so. In spite of that, even if he had only 4 lessa of land, which they said
There was a registered sale deed which was not put to challenge. In their favor, other side, they had registered sale deed.
they had registered sale deed that was substituted to our sale deed. Ours was 1960 sale deed. And accordingly, we have been issued patta also.
No, was their sale deed the subject matter of challenge?
Yes, it is, they are supposed to prove that sale deed.
No, was it a subject matter of challenge? Did you challenge the sale deeds?
No, we did
It is
not.
subsequent to your sale deeds
We did,
encompassing the same plot of land.
we did not say so, because ours only we filed out a resident statement. We did not file any counter claim, etc.
Their cell deed, or cell deed, I want to read the schedule, Miller, their schedule, Miller.
What is the date of the sale deed?
Their cell deed is
1989.
1989, Miller. In that cell deed, Miller, the plain also they have make the schedule, Miller. All the piece of parcel of land measuring 2 kotha 10 lessons, out of which 1 kotha covered by DAG number 2/3 of KP pattern number 1 of village Potasil Moses Swan, and 1 kotha 10 lessa covered by DAG number so and so of NK patta. So, my lord, in 1 patta, my lord, same patta, one cannot be NK and one will periodic patta, my lord. DAG number is also same, my lord. DAG number, sir. NK patta means, my lord, cadastral. After
Non-registered.
yes, sir,
Okay.
non-cadastral, my lord, same patta, same DAG, how one can be same patta is KP patta and other is non-KP patta, my lord. This is number 1 point. And my lord, they have not produced any title document of their vendor because of this, my lord. Because they have not produced the Jamabandi also.
No, but unless you challenge their title, which has flowed before upon them from the sale deed,
No, my lord.
whether is a requirement of proving the vendor's title, it will only come when you challenge it. You have
No,
not
no, my lord.
challenged.
Exhibit 10, my lord. Exhibit 10 on the basis of the sale deed or settlement operation, it is given. They have relied upon that exhibit 10. It is reflect only 1 got a 14 lessons, my lord. This is the title deed, my lord. Whatever may be the sale deed, my lord. They have made 2 sale deed, my lord. It is not necessary that their sale deed. Their vendor must have the land, my lord. 2 got 10 lessons, there must be. They could not prove because it is burden upon them, my lord, to produce the revenue record also. But they have relied the exhibit 10, which is a after settlement operation, it is given to N kotha 10 less, 14 lessons. That is the point, my lord. And it is the cell deed itself is a defective, my lord. Because, my lord, same cell deed,
So in absence of a counter claim or a
no,
separate
not necessary, my lord, because our, we have not claimed their land, my lord. Our,
where is the cross examination at least that the sale deed
yes,
was
my lord, yes,
effective?
yes, there is there, my lord.
Is there any such,
No, no, yes.
is there any
Specific,
finding, is there
specific,
any findings in the judgment?
yes. It was this must allow me. Yes. My lord, in cross examination of PW1, more revenue board appeal kora nai. They are evidence. Either Hutton Jetuke, ASO Jokma Kori case Casapata DC. They have admitted that they are Casapata. Hetuke, ASO Tarapo, action Luana. Either Hutton is a Mati Kinar Homat, Soromin Digota Dosa Mati Nasi. Either Hutton is a Joginder Mati from Harkana, more Bikri Tarpara Gusija. Either Hutton is more Manu, Mati com he Hetuke, a Bibadi Mati and Coast Korea. Assay. এইটো সত্য নহয় যে মই বিবাদী হাৰাস্তি কৰাৰ কাৰণে মিছা কথা কৈ নিষেধাজ্ঞা আপিল চি মাটিৰ ওপৰত লৈছো so my lord even if their land is 2 kotha 10 less suppose my lord we have admitted that their document is correct but their less document does not mean that our they can enforce our land, my lord. Our patta, our sale deed is prior to them, my lord. In 1960 process, thereafter we got the patta, the same tally, my lord. the reading is telling, in Jamabandi also it is reflected that we have particular land, one kotha, 10 lesser. They cannot enforce. Their increase or decrease cannot go to our land, my lord. And my lord, particularly the exhibit 1, it is defective one, my lord. In revenue, my lord, one pata there cannot be same dag cadastral and non-cadastral. Same dag, my lord.
In one dag.
Yes, one dag, one patta, my lord. I'm again reading, my lord, the schedule, my lord. One kotha land covered by dag number 2, KP patta number 1, and one kotha 10 lesser covered by dag number 2, KP patta number 1, and non-K. This is non-K, my lord. How same patta, same KP patta.
Okay. I is under 41.5. I is under 41.5.
41.5 we have filed.
But the decree is not put to execution as yet.
No, not my lord.
Not yet.
We have help on petition also.
Within time.
Yes, the Colonial Council assisted by P.K. Bhagwat. The intent appeal has been preferred against the judgment and order dated 6/4/2023. Judgment and decree dated judgment dated 6/4/2023 and decree dated 15/5/2023 passed by the learned civil judge number 1, Kamrup, M, in title appeal number 3 of 2011, whereby the judgment and decree dated 29/11/2010 passed by the learned Munsif number 2, Kamrup, Metro, entitled suit number 64/2001 has been affirmed. Full stop. The appeal is admitted on the following substantial questions of law. Page 8. A, B, and C. We have A, B, and C substantial questions. A, B, and C. I mean, commission, we are not going to have it as substantive question. A, B, and C.
Any other, my lord?
Any other will not say. Will not say any other. At the time of, because you have to give notice to the other side. You know the law before we have any further questions of substantive questions of law. Let them appear. Let notice be issued. No, let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by registered by user process. Step by tomorrow. We'll issue notice in this. At this stage we are not saying.
Till then, my lord, status quo order, my lord.
They have not even gone for execution. Let them,
Our knowledge, my lord, they have not.
issue notice. Let them come.
Yes.
How it is, by this application filed under Order 41, Rule 5, the applicants have paid for stay of the operation of the impugned judgment. That notice be issued. This court has been informed that the impugned judgment and decree is yet to be put for execution. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by usual process.
Good evening.
We have the same address first. What does the bar? If the same address are important, we take the same address first. The rate is pretty much. RG learned concept for the same address there is the. You want to take the same address now? There is the same address from item number 40. I think 5 matters are there. We give some priority to those. Are you there?
Yes, Lordship, in item number 40, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per earlier order dated 14/11/2022,
Yes.
we have filed an IA, Lordship.
Yes. I has not come.
Not come, Lordship.
We have given the filing number also.
Yes, Lordship.
Category reference. It's lying in defect. Which different defective? Why? You have not corrected the defect. 26/6.
26.
26/6/2023. There is an office note lying defective. You remove the defect.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship. Kindly grant 2 days of
We
time.
will
Lordship.
grant this time of time. Third, you are
AB Castle,
AB
Lordship.
Caster. Third, MS AB Caster and counsel for the petition who submit that the IA which has been filed, which was filed, is yet to be listed. Sarah, this court by order dated 14/11/2022 had directed listing of the IA. However, office note dated 26/6/2023 reflects that the IA said to have been filed is lying in a defective, has been filed in a defective mode, MOD. Sarah, learned counsel for the petitioner accordingly praised for and is granted 3 days time to cure the defect. Sarah, in the event of such defect being cured, the IA may be listed for consideration after
There is an interim order, Lordship.
interim order passed earlier to continue to the next year of
Obliged.
May it please, your Lordship. Yes, with respect to respondent number 4, your Lordship, service report is awaited. And with respect to
So why are these matters listed under the stake column? If these are for service, what do you want for? Huh? For service, they will do it. Nothing to do with pay or something.
And with respect to respondent number 1, 2, and 3, your Lordship, as per order dated 2/6/2020, notice were duly served, but till date none has appeared in this case.
Neither record unserved notice report effect for respondent number 4.
Oh, Lord.
And 1 to 3 has
1
appeared. Has
to
been
3,
served.
your Lordship, as per order dated 2/6/2020, notices were duly served, but till date there was no appearance in this.
2, 6, another date. 4, 6, and 4. Who is 4?
4 is the owner, your Lordship, owner of the vehicle.
This is an MSC appeal over.
Your Lordship, this is a CRPIO.
4.
Your Lordship, the injured person, he had filed a claim, but during the pendency of the-
You take the first step for R4. Okay.
Right.
Office note dated 28/6/2023 reflects that neither AD card nor answer notice has been received back so far as the respondent number 4 is concerned. Such notices were issued on 2/6/2022. In the interest of justice, let press steps be taken by registered post duty upon the respondent. In case of a similar situation, It's number 4. List after 6 weeks along with service report. Para, in case of a similar situation with regard to the AD card, public answer notice from the court, this court may send this matter to the learned laws in court to pass the appropriate orders on team service. Sufficient time has elapsed, so we are not going to presumption. Take another press step to draw the presumption. Yes, next. What do you do?
Lordship, in this case, the plaintiffs have withdrawn their suit in the lower court, your lordship. So the matter has become infectious.
Age board behind.
Age Burag.
Age board behind. Counsel appearing on instruction for the petitioner in this case submit that the principal title suit has already been withdrawn and therefore the present petition has become success. Petition is according to Mr. Counsel.
May it please your lordship. In
Okay.
this case, lordship, service complete. And thereafter, on last occasion, lordship, for the interest of justice, lordship, another chance was given. And order was passed, the matter should be listed after 4 weeks for the interest of justice. And
Nobody has
still,
appeared, so we'll have this for admission.
lordship,
Has it been admitted?
lordship can admit this matter as a decree of reversal, lordship. Plaintiff filed a suit for eviction of the petitioner.
CRP,
Yes, lordship, 115, lordship, it's a
Yes, for admission,
landlord
will-
tenant,
we'll have it for admission.
lordship. Otherwise, lordship, stay already granted in this case while issuing notice.
You are the landlord.
I am the tenant. They are not coming. I have taken step. He himself accepted notice. lordship.
This court by order dated 17/5/2023 has given further chance to the respondent to contest. However, the respondent however, the respondent has chosen not to appear and contest. This for admission after a week. Put some interim order passed to continue to the next.
Deeply appreciate.
May I please, Lord. In the last occasion, it was fixed for hearing, my lord. It was dismissed for default.
14 matter.
28. Yes.
14 matter.
Yes.
We'll have it for hearing.
Yes, it was for hearing.
Then it was restored.
It was restored.
Yeah, for the respondent.
Yes.
Are you ready for the hearing?
Yes.
When you come prepared, tomorrow we'll have. Tomorrow on Thursday we'll have for hearing.
Thursday.
14 matter.
Thursday.
Because today I think we have to rise also. There is some bereavement. The Gogoi has passed away.
Yeah. Thursday.
I do not know what the bar members are thinking. We'll have this on Thursday. This is a matter of 2014, which was restored after after the same was dismissed for default month. Please for hearing. CRP.
CRP.
For what?
Rent control.
Rent control. You are the what? Tenant.
I'm the tenant.
We'll have it after tomorrow.
Thursday.
When? Thursday. Please for here. Please for hearing or admission hearing.
No,
Has
it
been
was for
admitted?
it was for hearing, Lord.
Please for hearing on Thursday. So 14 matter will upgrade it and take. Evidence ready.
Yes.
But it's not, it hasn't been filed with the petition. I'll say right.
LCR to authority.
Records were not called for.
Record were called for.
Please to send back the LCR 425. Send back. Oh, on non-prosecution, it was so we have to call for the LCR. Cannot be on Thursday. We need the evidence. It's the last week for us. No, that's was before. So, this court has further noticed that when the matter was dismissed for default on 1/9/2022, comma, there was a direction to send back the LCR. Now, since the matter has been restored to file, comma, the LCR would be required. Full stop. Registry to issue requisition to immediately have the LCR called for so that the matter can be taken up for hearing. At least immediately for hearing after receipt of the LCR.
Deeply applied.
Please, Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of DCC Fukon.
Yes.
In this case, we will furnish the process to the registry today. So, fixing this time may be given.
Substitute service. What is the substituted service you are intending to take?
We will submit the summons to the registry.
What
Actually,
do you want?
the opposite party lives in Rajasthan, and we had to collect the names of the local newspaper.
Okay.
And
Did you
we
collect
have-
or not?
Yes, today we have collected. We got
What is your name?
Deepsika Devi.
D. Devi.
Yes.
MSD Devi Learned Counsel for the petitioner submit that appropriate information regarding the address of the respondent has been obtained recently and according to the praise for further time to take steps for substituted service. For Kapara. List after 4 weeks, at which time necessary steps be taken.
Okay.
I'm putting what to put to blur.
I'm telling telling the
Okay. We'll have it after a week. Why is it listed? So steps you have not taken. Justice service. You are required to take steps by justice service. You have not taken. Take the steps. We grant you time. You take steps. Your name? Third Sri B.K. Barua, Direct Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri B. N. Gogoi. Dr. B. N. Gogoi. Full stop. Para. By the last order dated 2/6/2023, this court had directed taking of steps by justice service. Full stop. Where are you? Come here, dictating an order. Should be here. this side. The Barua, the Learned Council has submitted that steps could not be taken due to some personal difficulty and praise for further time. Let press justice service be taken upon the for service of notice upon the sole respondent. Such service is to be routed through the registry of this court. Let the next date be taken, be picked on 25th of August. On the 21st of August, prior to which, the petitioner is required to file an affidavit as a proof of such justice service. Registry to reflect the next date on the accompanying notice in the justice service. Yes, what is it?
Lordship, service is completed, Lordship. And
Upon?
as per official dated 28/6/2023, Lordship.
28.
28/6/23.
So somebody has filed wakalat number.
Yes.
Appeared or not? Where
Not
name
the, Lordship, because their name has not been shown in the court. SK Goswami, UB Sharma.
Okay. We have found it. Your name?
M. Das.
Arthree Abdas Learned Council for the petitioner who by referring to the office note dated 28/6/2023 has submitted that service is complete and the sole respondent has already appeared. The records indicate that an Okalatnama has been filed for the respondent by Sri S.K. Goswami,
UB Sharma.
UB Sharma, and MS G Sharma. Let this matter be listed after the week by reflecting the name of the Learned Council for the full response. Is there any interim order?
Interim order until further order.
Until returnable date. Interim order, be careful. Till the returnable, until the next date, the interim order passed earlier to continue.
May I please the Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, this IA for restoration of RSA Lordship. RSA, it was dismissed for default on 26 Lordship. And my Lord, this opposite party, they have filed a affidavit today. And it is not in the record I have received.
You have objected to the restoration. Let the
Lord,
opposition come. We are Learned Council for the applicant who, by means of this application, has paid for restoration of the connected RSA 105 of 2012, which was dismissed for default. Your name, madam?
M. Burua.
Uh,
I'm on behalf of S. Sohan.
MSM Purva Learned Council appearing on instruction of the S. Sohan, however, submits that an objection has been filed today, which however is not with the record. This on Friday next,
Lord,
will you file that rejoinder or something? No.
I will not file.
This on Friday next date, along with the objection that have been filed.
Okay.
Ready for refolded. A prayer for adjournment is we have applicant list after the yes, what is this?
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, this is an IF for continuing delay of
Notice has not gone.
No, my lord, this is the first day,
111 days.
lordship,
Your T. Colita,
lordship.
not the T. Colita learned counsel for the applicant, appellant, who by means of this application has paid for condoning the delay of 111 days in preferring the connected MSC appeal against the judgment and awarded 29/10/2022 passed by the learned MACC number 3 Kamrup within bracket M 1 in MSC case number 1952 of 27. That notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks. That steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post by tomorrow.
Lordship, just now I have noted the mistake on my part, my lord. This is MSC case number 1953 oblique 17. Judgment is annexed. Judgment is annexed, my lord.
1953. Is not correct. Yes, reflected. You have to file an application.
Lord.
Because this just reflected in the CIS.
Lordship.
Your correction here will not make any difference there, so it will not benefit you. We have this, there's some other typographical error we can, but this is the name, number of the case.
Lordship.
Parent or the direct counsel further submit that there is a typographical error in stating the case number before the MSC, which should be 1953 of 2017 instead of 1952 of 2017. Parent counsel is required to file an I for correction.
Much.
But without correction, taking steps will not be good.
Then lordship will file the IF first, my lord.
It's really first correct.
Lord.
Don't, we are not issuing notice. Okay,
Lord.
correct it first.
Lordship. Lord.
I did it. There is a correction. There is
Much obliged.
May I please tell? It is a petition under Section 503 Limitation Act for condoning delay of 70 days in preparing the connected appeal. Lordship.
arrested.
Lordship.
Concurrent finding.
Lordship.
Concurrent finding.
Concurrent.
Item number 30. L.R. Mudhar Counsel for the applicant appellant who has filed his application under Section 5 of the Application Act 1963 for condonation of delay of 70 days
7.
in preferring second appeal against the side. That notice be issued. That has been registered for service of notice upon the
So
respondent. Sole by tomorrow.
Like
Lordship, this is the IF of condonation of delay of 18 days, Lordship. And it is
For
listed for the first
for
time.
the insurance company.
Yes, Lord.
What is your name?
SP Sharma, Lord.
Judgment is 12/4/2023 passed by the learned Assistant Labor Commissioner, Commissioner for Employees Compensation Now in NEC case number 5/20 for continuation of delay with take step by step. And,
Both ways? Both ways, Lordship.
And do both sides are permissible, but I request you to type on a single page. It becomes difficult for us because of the speech. Otherwise, had it been loose paper, no problem. Once it's speech and it becomes thicker, it becomes very difficult. Yes, madam, what is this?
My lord, there's a delay, 47 days.
MSA page,
My lord,
as sorry,
my lord.
sorry. Section, 500, section 5 of the Navy, section 500, proviso to section 173, second proviso to section 173 of the MP Act, read with section 5. Or it does not order section 820 MSC case number 3 of 1655. How many days?
47, my lord.
42 days. Is that so? Take that about
Must have been.
basket of non-appeal, non-appeal, non-appeal. Part 2 food product of 2000 after the price